Hi everyone, welcome. We've been working with regular verbs in the present tense in German. In this lesson we are going to work with the regular verb kaufen. Kaufen means to buy. We're going to look at the forms of this verb in the present tense, das Präsens. Here are the endings for regular verbs in the present tense. If you know these endings, you can conjugate any regular verb in the present tense. Remember, the first thing to do is to remove the EN from the infinitive, and you're left with the root. So here's the root, and all you have to do is add the right ending. I buy, ich kaufe. You buy, du kaufst. He buys, kauft. She buys, sie kauft. You buy, sie kaufen. Our plural forms: we buy, wir kaufen. You buy, the informal plural you, ihr kauft. You buy, the formal plural you, sie kaufen. And finally, they buy, sie kaufen. Here's some things that we might buy: der Wein, the wine, ein Computer, a computer, ein Auto, a car, die Getränke, the drinks. So let's put it all together. Kaufen is a verb that requires a direct object. In other words, the thing that you buy is the direct object. Remember that direct objects are in what is called the accusative case in German, and the accusative case has a special ending for masculine singular nouns. So in the case of Wein, der has to change to den. In the case of ein Computer, a computer, ein has to change to einen. So let's put it all together. If I want to say I buy the wine, I would say ich kaufe den Wein. I buy a computer, ich kaufe einen Computer. I buy a car, ich kaufe ein Auto. I buy the drinks, ich kaufe die Getränke. You buy, du kaufst. You buy the wine, du kaufst den Wein. You buy a computer, du kaufst einen Computer. You buy a car, du kaufst ein Auto. You buy the drinks, du kaufst die Getränke. He buys, kauft. He buys the wine, kauft den Wein. He buys a computer, kauft einen Computer. He buys a car, kauft ein Auto. He buys the drinks, kauft die Getränke. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.